Got a rust spot on the fender, tailgate's hanging loose, bench seat's torn, but she still hauls juice. 5-speed stick and a 2-liter heart. She ain't fast, but she's got that spark. No leather seats, no fancy trim, just a window crank and a tie that's slim. From Tokyo steel to the local lot, she'll outlast every Ford you got. Little trucks, big vibes, rolling slow with nothing to hide. Hauling mulch or skateboard cruise, redline dreams and faded blues. Japanese steel, bulletproof soul, still hitting 300K on a single roll. No flex, no fluff, just get it done, guys. Long live the 90s pickup trucks. Lowered them down or jacked them high, spray can flames or primer sky. Boombox wedge behind the seat, running on ramen in summer heat. Mazda B, Datsun pride, mini truck meets on Friday nights. Tailgate down, speakers loud, cheap gas, good friends, rolling proud. Little trucks, big vibes, still alive where the legends ride. Pop a clutch and let her purr, Japanese trucks forever endure. Simple, scrappy, built to last, from mountain roads to the local gas. You can keep your lifted rigs and bucks, I'll take my tiny, mighty truck. Little trucks, big vibes, still alive where the legends ride. Pop a clutch and let her purr, Japanese trucks forever